Watch hour, it's good. It's okay. I'm getting watch hour from you also, guys. You know, if you want to monetize your channel, Pramod, upload minimum of 8 minutes video. Or you can upload like at least 1 hour video, that will be better. One hour video, and then at least you will get, you know, if the purpose is for watch hour. Yeah, do it. And then make a playlist also, like, you know. Are you still at work, Karthik? Okay, that's good. Aray. I will show you my feet. See, it's swollen. It's blurred. I put something. Thank you, Karthik. 1:36 a.m. Yeah, we have the same time. Yes, make, and then if you make video, it's better if you will do like minimum of 8 minutes, because once you are monetized already, you can edit the ads if you reach if the video is 8 minutes minimum. Otherwise, below 8 minutes, you cannot edit the ads. It will just automatic come out like as per YouTube. You can use slime. I will use slime for what? For my feet? This is always my problem. I'm having ingrown. And it's really painful. That's dead skin actually, you know. I have